Today we're going to go over a common problem on the W163, the Mercedes MLs, like 1997 to 2005. The outside door handles on the rear doors, you'll have a problem where it won't open the door. However, you'll be able to open the door from the inside door handle. So I'm going to show you a really simple fix on that. You need two things: BB blaster or WD-40 and a screwdriver. A really easy fix. So you'll be able to open the door from the inside door handle, but the outside door handle will just pull and you won't be able to open it. What happens is the mechanism is not the best from the outside door handle to the door clasp, the door closer. So what you have to do, and if you go in here real close, you can show them. This is the door closer. What happens is it comes in here, closes, and that clicks around this little piece right here. It closes, and the inside door handle will do that, and the outside door handle will do even less. It needs to go all the way open. So what will happen is it'll kind of partially open, but you won't be able to open the door. So how to kind of fix that, what you have to do is take your WD-40, or I like PB Blaster, it's better. It kind of loosens up stuck parts. And you spray it real good. Spray in where it pivots, and then I spray in towards the outside door handle to get it to work. And then what you have to do is work it with your screwdriver. See, it opens, you kind of push it open, it keeps opening more and more and more. See how it's springing back better? There's like a little spring, so you have to keep working it. See, it'll keep working better the more you work it. See how that time it's starting to really spring open, or before it was kind of sticky. See, now it opens like that from the inside. And then what you have to do, outside door handle. Okay, then you will start working the outside door handle, where you push this up, and see, from the outside door handle it was kind of just a tiny bit. So you push it and you pull. You have to keep almost like pull your outside door handle harder, and you just keep. And what you'll do is I'll show you from the outside. You hold the door handle open like this, and you work it with the screwdriver. You'll work it. So you'll work it in up and down, work it up and down while you hold the door handle up. And you can do the same with the inside door handle. You should have it so it just clicks up and down. Sometimes you'll have to do this for 4 or 5 minutes, but it works, that mechanism, and it just stuff through time gets gummed up and stuck and some rust. And again, you'll spray some more stuff in there, and like I said, I even spray towards where the handle is, because that mechanism gets kind of stuck too. And then what you'll do is you'll hold this handle out and you'll work it like that. Work it like that, holding this out, and it'll work this spring, and that pivot point will loosen up. Where, see, now it's springing all the way open. Like that. We'll try the outside one now. See, it's still a little sticky. All right, let's try it. Look at that. Open and close, real easy now. Before it wouldn't open at all. There you go. All fixed. Thank you. Now make sure you subscribe to our videos. We're going to do a lot more Mercedes videos on easy and difficult repairs, make sure you please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.